We'll be making this new potato with green peas Dum Aloo curry. This is from the winter season, so this is done on the winter. So we'll be boiling this Dum Aloo in water with little salt for 10 to 15 minutes till it become tender. And to identify this is boiled, when the fork when the potato comes out of the fork easily, so this is the indication that the potato has been boiled. After boiling and cooling, we will remove the skin and put in the container. Now we'll put oil in the kadai and we'll do the frying of this potato till little colored, not golden but little colored. We'll stir occasionally, and once done we'll remove it in a container. And after this we'll put little more oil and we'll put cumin seeds, allowing it to splutter, and then we'll add onion and stir it till it becomes translucent. You have to stir it, and this till kadai should not be we should not increase or cook the onion with a high fire, because till kadai it will immediately catch up the bottom of the frying pan. So we'll be cooking this in a very slow fire until it becomes translucent. Now we'll be adding tomatoes and stir it, and then we'll add little salt so that the water comes out of this tomato evenly and it becomes pulpy, and we'll cover it and we'll do this cooking by covering and opening for some time, 10 minutes, so that it becomes really oil oozes out from the masala. And then we'll put little ginger garlic paste and stir it along with this onion tomato masala. Put spicy red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and put little water so that the masala doesn't burn dry, and we'll cook it with the water, so that this we have to take really care so that the masala doesn't burn or catch at the bottom. We'll cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll then add the boiled new potato and stir it along with this masala so that it coats all the sides of the potato evenly. And once we'll do for 3 to 4 minutes, then we'll add water. Once done, we'll cover it, we'll stir it little bit and then cover it and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes, so that the potato cooks really tender and it really tastes well. We'll cover it, then cook it. In between we'll be removing and seeing the condition, and we will again cover, put green peas and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes, then so that the green peas become tender. And then we'll add little sugar to balance the taste, and little garam masala and coriander leaves, so that it gives a real punch of the freshness. And we will remove it in a plate. You can see how beautiful it is looking. We'll be eating this particular recipe with green peas kachori. We have shown this recipe previously, and we'll be eating this with new potato and green peas dum aloo. Please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family. This is the only Bengali channel which we are making voiceover in English, and please ensure that you hit the like button and comment. Jai Sri Ram, Radhe Radhe, Jai Hanuman, Jai Bharat. See you, bye bye for now in the next recipe.